Hello, marketing legends. Welcome to Marketing News Now with your host, James Harold Meeker, podcasting in the Silicon Valley Hills of Austin, Texas. Our story today comes out of Home Depot's retail media network. They're proving that first party shopper data isn't just meant to live on their own website. Through integrations with platforms like Reddit and Pinterest, they're showing advertisers how to catch the customer before they even know they need a product. Right in the community forums where inspiration and often pure DIY panic lives. So let's dive in. Home Depot has announced a first of its kind integration between its retail media network, Orange Apron Media, OAM, and Reddit. The partnership allows advertisers to launch Reddit campaigns directly through OAM's self serve portal. Orange Access combining Home Depot's first party shopper data with Reddit's ad inventory to reach do it yourself and consumers and professionals earlier in their purchase journey, specifically while they're researching projects and seeking advice in Reddit's community forums. The announcement was part of Home Depot's annual In Fronts advertising showcase. In parallel, Home Depot also announced it's the first home improvement retailer to participate in Pinterest Media Network Connect, which allows non-endemic advertisers, meaning brands that don't sell at Home Depot, to activate OEM shopper data for campaigns running on Pinterest platform, a widely used platform for home project inspiration. The Reddit integration is interesting because it addresses a real behavioral gap. Consumers researching paint, plumbing repairs, or power tools often do so on Reddit weeks before they set foot in a store or open a retailer's app. Until now, that high intent audience has been largely unaddressable and only through Reddit's own direct ad products. Connecting OAM's first party data to that inventory creates a new targeting layer that neither party could build alone. Shh. Can you hear it? I think we're listening to MDF funds being charged to partners to participate at this very moment. You know the routine. Yeah, you gotta pay to play, kids. For retail marketeers and performance advertisers, retail media networks are no longer just on site banner ads. The OAM Reddit integration signals that the first party retail data is now a portable asset that can power campaigns across community platforms, social, and connected TV. This approach blends the go to market and sell with campaigns, and frankly, it's smart. So, thank you for dropping in on today's Marketing News Now podcast. If you've not seen my previous video on how to use Markdown files to take your AI game to the next level with my special guest and AI expert, Jason Eccles, take some time and check it out. It's worth your while. Please like, follow, and share this video and other content as always. Share your ideas in the comment section below as well. Have a great day.